Welcome back to Akshay's vlog. This video is going to be really disappointing and devastating. I'm not going to waste much of your time by giving usual talks like what I do earlier. Air India crashes. Air India flight which took off from Dubai today sadly has been crashed. It's really a disappointing and devastating news. And adding up to that, two pilots, including 191 passengers, have sadly left us for good. It's really a sad news. So many things happening in 2020, and it is really devastating and disappointing to see such things. So on this video, I'll be giving you the complete, the highlights or flashback of what happened, and what are the measures that has been taken, and what is the status of the current situation that has been happening in the Kozhikode or the Calicut airport, Kerala, after the crash that actually took place now. So let's get into the video without wasting much of the time. The next update, the flight actually got crashed in the place in a city called Karipur in Kerala. The Dubai Kozhikode flight, which actually took off and was supposed to land by 7:30, crashed at Karipur city. Please note this, it happened in Karipur city nearby Calicut itself. While landing, due to the heavy rain, it got crashed, and yeah, sadly, as I told, had to go and land up in valley, and so many people did lose their life. 191 passengers, including the pilots, have lost their life due to the overshooting of the runway and the flight getting into the valley. It is really disappointing again at the same time to see so many people losing life in the year 2020. So getting into the next update, flight actually got crashed in the place in a city called Karipur in Kerala. The Dubai Kozhikode flight, which actually took off and was supposed to land by 7:30, crashed at Karipur city. Please note this, it happened in Karipur city nearby Calicut itself. While landing, due to the heavy rain, it got crashed, and yeah, sadly, as I told, had to go and land up in valley, and so many people did lose their life. Current update is NDRF team has right away gone there, and Dr. S.N. Pradhan, sorry, he has clearly told so many people have injured, and so many people are already unconscious. They're in the state of unconscious, and so many people have already lost their life, including the pilot. So NDRF team is right away there to rescue, is what they say. Then fire tenders and ambulance are also rushed up to the spot. Ambulance are already there due to the mishap to rescue the remaining people at least. And the flight has a cockpit in the front part that is completely damaged, and there were two pilots, one pilot and one co-pilot. Mr. Vasant Sade, he has already left us. He has passed away due to this the flight accident that happened, and there was another co-pilot who is in a coma critical stage. It is very difficult to save him, is what they say. All our prayers, all is well. Let everything that happen for good. Let's pray for a speedy recovery. We really can't do anything. It is not in our hand. Due to natural calamities, accident do happen, and sadly 2020 is a year full of disasters and disasters. Seriously, it is really disappointing to see so many difficulties that is happening. So let me give you further update talking about even Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given his condolence on his Twitter. You can see it here, and he has also spoken to Chief Minister Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan in Kerala and given all his support. He will be reaching Kerala tomorrow, is what the news says as of now. Quickly read out, if any of you are watching this video, please pass it to as many as possible. Relatives of passenger on board Air India Express flight, the flight that crashed at Karipur International Airport, can contact the helpline number which is given here, 0495 237 6901. I repeat again, 0495 237 6901. You may please contact the Kozhikode Collector Help Center, and also they will definitely do the needful. If one among your relative is there in this situation, please do contact. This is the helpline number that has been given. Chief Minister of Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, has directly ordered the rescue force, that is the police force and other medical support also, to straight away get into action and rescue the people. And as I told earlier, already the rescue team is there to rescue as many people. And also Amit Shah, the Home Minister who is suffering from COVID-19, he has also tweeted, distressed to learn about the tragic accident of Indian Air Express aircraft in Kozhikode, Kerala. Have instructed NDRF team to assist with the rescue operations. Nirmala Sitharaman, the finance minister, has also tweeted, shocked to know about the Air India Express tragedy in Kozhikode. Hope for the prayers of all board. All the senior ministers are giving their messages and positivity to the people. All passengers have been evacuated, says BJP MP from Kerala. All the passengers are safely evacuated from the plight. But as I told, there are so many people who are still in coma stage and critical stage with so many injuries. Let's all pray together for their speedy recovery. As I said, Moin will be leading the rescue team in what direction they need to do and save the remaining amount of life, at least for the people who came back, taking the complete in charge of leading the Kerala team, rescue team, to save so many people. So one thing before we end up the video, one thing I want to say, life is very short, guys. So many tragedies that keep happening right from the beginning of the year. Earlier we had coronavirus, then we saw the acid attack, then we saw the explosion that happened in Hyderabad, then we saw so many people losing their life, the pandemic across the world, irritating. Then also Lebanon's recent case that happened, so many celebrities lost their life, celebrities lost their life, like Chiranjeevi Sarja from Karnataka, Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide, so many things that is really depressing and annoying people in this year. Hope we shall pass through this. Let's have our prayers in our mind for the people who got attacked, who faced this accident in the flight attack that happened recently. All is well. Let's pray for the good health and speedy recovery of all the people. Let's at least the next half of 2020 be of good grace and happiness to all the people out there. Let's all stay safe, guys. That is the video. I don't even have a proper mood of concluding the video, and that fun you would definitely be missing in my face due to this tragedy that's keep on happening. And yeah, so I just quickly thought of updating you guys. I'll right away be uploading the video in quite some time. So that's all, guys. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to as many as possible. Let's pray for the good health. Thank you. Cheers. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.